Today, I will show you how to turn a 2D image into a 3D model, and then 3D print it. And to demonstrate, I'll use Thomas the Tank Engine, a character we're all familiar with, as our example. First, open the website human.ok on your computer. Here can convert a 2D photo of a face into a 3D model of a head. Below, you'll find several related examples. Feel free to click on any that interest you to take a closer look. Furthermore, this module can generate a 3D model from an image. What's more, the website also provides the STL file, which is ready for 3D printing. Now, let's get started and generate a 3D model of Thomas. Wow, I can see the results are really impressive. Finally, select the STL file located in the bottom right corner and download it. You may then begin the printing process. Thank you for watching.